Let's hear from some of our existing customers about their success that they have had through advertising.
Changes. See, for example, it's our other brand called Silvermine that we have been promoting in this program, because NAC has been promoting consistently in the newspaper. So we thought, why not we promote Silvermine in this brand? So what we are seeing is a lot of walk-ins has improved, and the customers are coming in search of the products that we advertise. The more important is like a catalog. Every week we are maintaining a catalog. So what happens is customer is insisting on the same product on the display. So that is the big difference.
Salons have experienced phenomenal growth after using Presence, because in Presence the biggest advantage what comes is we are able to use a campaign continuously. Our business cycle is once a person comes to our salon in a month, the next time they are going to come only next month. Whatever I am going to advertise in the meanwhile is going to be a spillover. So I have to be consistently able to talk to a customer, and that is where we can get a full value of that. And that is made very easily possible by Presence, because the year before last we didn't have so much of budget, so that we are not able to use it on a continuous basis. Presence gave us not only a number of ads, and the consistency came into the picture, and both fell hand in hand, and that really our business have grown phenomenally because of that. So I should say thank you very much for Presence.
Using the Presence program has been a pleasant one, because I personally feel that the first thing that people do in the morning is read the papers, and visual impact is very important. So the moment they see the paper, it registers in their mind, and whenever they want, they can always recall it. So it's very good for brands.
I'd like to continue in this Presence program with our product Silvermine, which has been doing wonders for the last 8-9 months. And we may go one step forward by adding another product called Young Ones, exclusive jewelry for kids, wherein we have gold, diamond, silver and platinum, which we are not able to showcase it every time. So herein what will happen is every week we'll be advertising a product in that. That will bring in a lot of consumers to our stores.
I'm very happy that I have used Presence last year as a significant part of my campaign. It has given me immense result. It has increased my business per salon. It has given me new customers. My per customer average bill value has gone up. So to that extent, and I also got new franchise partners using Presence. So in all this sphere of business, advertising in Presence have helped me. I strongly recommend that all the businessmen and all the retailers and all the advertisers to look at Presence, to advertise in Presence. I can vouch for it. It will give you